Alright listeners, today we're diving headfirst into a riveting topic, tech savvy, using technology to boost your learning and work efficiency. Can you even picture a world devoid of our beloved gadgets? Just imagine a time when we relied solely on paper and pen. Feels like a lifetime ago, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's such a mind bender. Like, how did people even manage to learn or work back in those days? It must have felt, so isolated, right?
Exactly. It was as if we were in an ancient civilization. You'd wander into a library, browse the shelves, and actually read physical books. Now we can access any sliver of information in mere seconds from our phones. Take Google Scholar, for instance. Back in my university days, I was drowning in a sea of dusty tomes until I stumbled upon the treasure trove of online academic papers. It felt like I'd cracked the Da Vinci Code.
Whoa, that's like a secret vault of answers. So how does one even begin using tech to enhance their learning? Is there just one app, or, like, a whole bunch?
Great question. There's a myriad of apps at our disposal, but my advice is to start with ones tailored to your learning style. If you're a visual learner, tools like Canva for crafting stunning infographics can be absolute game changers. And, for auditory learners, podcasting apps, of course, can help digest information even on the go. Picture this: listening to your course lectures while whipping up a gourmet meal. I did this during my exam prep, and it felt like I was multitasking like a champ.
That's pure genius. I could totally see myself binging on lectures instead of Netflix. But, do you think there's a risk in relying too heavily on tech? I mean, there are so many distractions online, right?
Absolutely. The internet feels like a double-edged sword sometimes. Just visualize diving into your study materials online, only to find yourself spiraling down a rabbit hole of cat videos. Trust me, I've faced that temptation myself. However, this is where self-discipline comes into play. Establishing boundaries with your tech use is absolutely vital. For instance, using apps like Forest to maintain focus is a brilliant idea. You grow a virtual tree as long as you stay off your phone. It's like a little motivation to keep you grounded.
That sounds quite exciting. But wait, what's the tree's motivation? Can it die if I, open another app?
Good question. Yes, indeed, your little tree can wither away if you stray from your studies. Think of it as a promise to maintain your focus, akin to pledging to water your plant. It definitely adds a layer of excitement to the process, doesn't it?
Right, so are there any other nifty tools to boost our productivity and manage our time effectively?
Oh, certainly. One of my absolute favorites is Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace where you can jot down ideas, whip up to-do lists, and set reminders. It's the ultimate binder, minus those dreaded paper cuts. I remember the first time I discovered Notion, I was bewildered by just how organized I could be.
Wow, that's so intriguing. But gently circling back to the topic of distractions, what's your advice for managing them while maximizing these useful tools?
Right, distractions. I believe establishing a dedicated workspace is absolutely essential. When I decided to study from home, I turned my modest corner into a study sanctuary. I painted the walls and adorned them with motivational quotes. It was invigorating. That transformation made a noticeable difference in my productivity.
That's so motivating. Can I just, spice up my bedroom now? But, also, what if someone doesn't have much space to carve out a special area?
Brilliant point. You needn't have an entire room. Even a small designated space at your kitchen table or lounging on the couch can do the trick. What truly matters is the mindset. Treat it as your personal learning zone. Regardless of where it is in your home, the secret lies in consistency. You want your brain to make that spot synonymous with focus and productivity.
I can just envision setting boundaries like, all right brain, we're in focus mode now. And, what about using tech to work collaboratively with others?
Absolutely love that. Collaboration tools such as Zoom and Slack make teamwork a piece of cake. I once tackled a group project in college with friends who were thousands of miles away. It felt like pure magic. We shared documents in real time, brainstorming ideas over virtual coffee, despite being continents apart. Quite liberating.
So, do you reckon that face-to-face meetings are, totally out of date now?
Not at all. While virtual meetings come with advantages, there's an irreplaceable quality to face-to-face interactions. They build rapport, nurture creativity, and promote spontaneity. Imagine brainstorming with a whiteboard in front of you. I just adore that. There's an incredible energy that comes from being in the same physical space.
I totally get that. Sometimes, my friends and I get super pumped just chilling together at a cafe, right? You can't really replicate that vibe through a screen.
Exactly. That's the beauty of human connection. It fosters collaboration and ignites innovation. The key is finding that balance utilize tech alongside real-world interactions to unlock the full potential of your learning.
Wow, there's so much to unpack here, and I feel like we're just scratching the surface. What's your take on online courses? Are they worth the hype?
Fantastic question. Online courses are an incredible way to learn endless resources just waiting at your fingertips. They cater to all varieties of learners. Think of platforms like Coursera or Udemy as treasure chests filled with skills and knowledge for anyone willing to delve a bit deeper. I still take online courses to pick up new skills. It's that endless well of knowledge.
Wow, should I be signing up for Zoom classes for fun? I could learn to juggle or something completely out there.
Why not? If juggling hones your coordination and focus, go for it. The world is truly your oyster with online learning. It's about discovering what sparks your passion and excites you to learn.
That's really uplifting. I never viewed it from that angle. So it's genuinely about blending tech with our unique learning styles, right?
Absolutely. Merge tech to create structure and nurture personal growth. Explore, experiment, and flourish in this technology-infused world. And remember, it's not just about efficiency, it's about relishing the journey of exploration along the way.
Wow, that's utter brilliance. I'm genuinely pumped about all this. Is there anything else we ought to discuss before we wrap things up?
Just one last nugget dive in. Don't hesitate or overthink it. Embrace technology, make those mistakes, and learn. The journey is where the real magic unfolds.
I love that. Alright everyone, I think we've covered a massive amount today. I'm so revved up. Let's go out and conquer this tech-driven world.